Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm so excited to share a piece of my heart with you, a true taste of Georgia. We're making kharcho, a rich and hearty beef soup that will warm you from the inside out. It's a dish my grandmother taught me, and the smell alone brings back so many wonderful memories. First, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need about 1 kilogram of beef brisket, cut into nice bite-sized chunks. Then, we have 2 large onions, finely chopped. For our special Georgian touch, we need 1 cup of walnuts, which we'll grind up, and about half a cup of kamali, our wonderful sour plum sauce. We also have a tablespoon of classic Georgian spice mix, kameli suneli, some hot pepper to your taste, a bit of tomato paste, fresh cilantro garlic, and of course, rice. Let's begin. First, we'll sear our beef in a heavy-bottomed pot until it's beautifully browned on all sides. This step is crucial for developing that deep sabori flavor. Once the beef is browned, take it out and set it aside. In the same pot, we'll saute our chopped onions until they are soft and golden. Now, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and cook it for a minute. Then return the beef to the pot. Cover the beef with about 2 liters of water or beef broth. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer. This is where the magic happens. We'll let it cook for about an hour and a half until the beef is incredibly tender. While our beef is simmering away, let's prepare the rest of our ingredients. I'm using a food processor to grind the walnuts until they're a fine meal. This will be the thickener and the soul of our soup. After the beef is tender, it's time to add the flavors. Stir in half a cup of rinsed rice, our ground walnuts, the kameli suneli spice mix, and the kamali sauce, seasoned with salt and a little bit of hot pepper for a kick. Let it simmer for another 15 to 20 minutes until the rice is cooked through and the soup has thickened beautifully. For the final touch, just before serving, we'll stir in a generous amount of freshly chopped cilantro and a few cloves of minced garlic. The aroma is just incredible. Look at that! A perfect bowl of authentic Georgian It's rich, it's tangy, it's nutty, and it's absolutely delicious! Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope you try this recipe and bring a little bit of Georgia into your home. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more traditional recipes. See you next time!